This is the super quick guide if you just want to go out there and detect with your new Minelab Manticore metal detector and don't want to get into that advanced stuff and all of that fuss. I'm gonna show you how you're still gonna get a really decent performance out of the machine with the quick settings. So first of all, you turn on the detector from that button like I just did. You make sure you have some battery. You can see it up there in the top right corner. And then you have a look around. Are you on a beach? Are you on a field? You go into the settings by going to the cog. You find the search mode. Here it is. You scroll left and right until you find the one that suits your location best. If you're unsure, well, go with the general one. All terrain, general. Or let's say you're on a beach. Let's do a beach general. And go back. And now you are 2 steps away from finding treasure. First you have to do noise cancellation. You find it in the settings by going up, and you press the button here, follow the instructions. Alright, it's noise cancelled, and then you also have to do ground balance, but you can do automatic ground balance, and then that you turn on and off. The automatic tracking, that's off. Make sure it's on, it's that symbol, and now you're pretty much good to go. And when you walk over a target, you're gonna see the target ID here and the depth there. But when you find a target and you see the depth, you just dig. Press the pinpointer to locate that it's in the middle of the coil. When it's the noisiest, it's in the middle. And you dig. Good luck out there. Hope you find treasure.